Welcome back to X-Tech Countdown and the second part video of our top 25 car gadgets. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out to catch up on gadgets 25 through 11. If you thought the first part of our list was awesome, wait until you see what's coming up in this part. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have car gadgets that will transform your driving experience. We've saved some of the best for last. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to check the paid links in the description for the best deals on these gadgets. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest car tech. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Comforlifee Seat Cushion. At number 10, we have the Comforlifee Seat Cushion. This isn't just any cushion, it's designed with premium gel memory foam and a cooling gel layer on top to provide superior comfort. Whether you're driving for hours or just heading to the office, this cushion supports your tailbone and relieves pressure on your spine, helping with issues like sciatica and herniated discs. It's got a non-slip rubber bottom, a built-in handle for easy transport, and a machine-washable cover, making it a practical and comfortable addition to any car. Currently rated 4.4 stars on Amazon and available for just $44.99, it's a great investment for long-term comfort. Number 9. Eage Pressure Washer. Coming in at number 9, the Eage Pressure Washer is your go-to gadget for keeping your car's undercarriage spotless. This undercarriage cleaner and water broom combo is designed to make cleaning easier and faster, helping you reach those hard-to-access spots with ease. Built to last, this durable attachment is perfect for anyone serious about car maintenance. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and currently priced at $46.99. Keep your car looking its best from top to bottom. Number 8. Smart Car Air Freshener. At number 8, we have the Smart Car Air Freshener. This is not your typical air freshener. It turns on automatically when you start your car and shuts off when you're done, so you never have to worry about remembering to turn it on or off. It's quieter than most and uses advanced technology to create a fine mist, keeping your car smelling fresh. You can even adjust the scent strength with 3 different settings. With a rating of 4.4 stars on Amazon and priced at $89.99, it's a small gadget that makes a big difference. Number 7. WeBoost Phone Signal Booster. If you often find yourself in areas with weak cell signals, then number 7 on our list is for you. The WeBoost Phone Signal Booster enhances your signal strength by reaching the farthest cell towers, making it perfect for road trips in remote areas. It's compatible with all carriers and supports the latest 5G technology, ensuring you get the best speeds possible. Featuring a magnetic roof antenna, this device is a must-have for staying connected on the go. It's rated 3.9 stars on Amazon and is currently priced at $499.99. Number 6. SFM Electric Air Duster. Next up at number 6 is the SFM Electric Air Duster. Say goodbye to dirt and debris in those hard-to-reach spots with this powerful, adjustable air duster. It's cordless, lightweight, and built from high-quality, temperature-resistant materials. Whether you need to clean your car seats, computer keyboard, or even inflate an air mattress, this versatile gadget has you covered. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and is available for $88.99. Number 5. Terra Pump. At number 5, we have the Terra Pump, a fuel transfer pump with an auto-stop feature to prevent overfilling. This pump makes transferring fuel 3 times faster, reaching up to 2.9 gallons per minute. With a flexible intake hose and a no-spill auto-stop nozzle, this device is perfect for anyone who frequently needs to transfer fuel. It's rated 4.4 stars on Amazon and is currently priced at $74.89. Number 4. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. At number 4, the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit makes tire repair quick and easy. With just the push of a button, you can repair and fully inflate your tire in 10 minutes without needing to remove the tire or use any tools. This kit plugs into your car's 12-volt charging socket and features a dial display for monitoring tire pressure. With environmentally friendly sealant that's non-toxic, non-corrosive, and non-hazardous, it's safe for you and the planet. It's rated 4.5 stars on Amazon and priced at $54.99. Number 3. Retractable Car Charger. Coming in at number 3, we have the Retractable Car Charger. This 60W fast charger comes with a retractable cable and 2 USB ports, making it perfect for keeping your car organized and tangle-free. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and has advanced features to protect your devices from overcharging, overcurrent, and other potential issues. Rated 4.5 stars on Amazon and priced at just $20.79, this charger is a steal for anyone looking to keep their gadgets powered up on the go. Number 2. Escort Max. At number 2, we have the Escort Max, a cutting-edge radar detector that helps you stay aware of all potential speed traps. With its ability to detect threats from all directions and arrows indicating the direction of the threat, this device ensures you have plenty of time to react. The intelligent GPS software learns your routes, making it even more effective over time. It's rated 4.3 stars on Amazon and is available for $599.95. Number 1. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. And finally, our number 1 car gadget for 2024 is the Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. This top-of-the-line dash cam comes with UHD 2160p resolution, a 2.4-inch IPS screen, and a 1.50 wide-angle lens. It has everything you need to capture clear footage day or night, with features like parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, and more. Plus, you can instantly view, manage, and download recordings on your phone. It's backed by a full 1-year warranty and is currently available for a limited time deal of $74.99. That's a wrap on our top 25 car gadgets for 2024. From practical essentials to innovative gadgets, we hope you found something to enhance your driving experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description for all the gadgets we mentioned today. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your attention and also mention if we missed any potential gadget to include in our list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and drive safe!